Hi everyone, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Prisoner Jonesy from Fortnite. So let's go in at the top, just up here. We're going to just do his face first of all. So going to go and do his chin. So let's pop his chin here. So just do a little arc about there. Nice, okay. From that point we can work upwards now. So I'm going to do his jawline up here. That side, and the same that side. Let's pop his ears in. So I'm going to do a bit of an oblong there, and like an oblong, kind of like a C on that side there. So move up here, and he's got kind of like a chunky crop of hair, I suppose. So I'm going to just pop up there, pop up there. Okay, now I'm going to just pop that hair in. So just going to do some like triangular little bits, just curving around here. And then also, just at the bottom here, his hair sort of goes down like around here, a little bit of a fringe. So let's put a couple of little like triangular areas in there. Let's just join that up with the hair there. Alright, cool. Let's put his neck area in. So it's quite a big, long neck, actually, Jonesy. So I'm gonna maybe just work up here, just do a little arc, just like that. Same here. Just working in like that. Okay. Let's pop his shoulders in next. So what I'm going to do is just a line out here and then a line out there. Okay. And then he's got like sort of like a bit of strapping going on just on the edges of here. So I'm going to actually put that in first of all. So first of all, I'm going to put a square here, and then I'm going to pop a square on the other side as well. Okay, and then I'm going to do the strapping, so I'm going to do like a little curve over like so and join it up, and again here and over like that. Then we're just going to continue this down here, so it's where his chest would be. So I'm just going to do like a little sort of like almost like a little tusk, and the same on that side too. Okay, right, to continue the shoulder area, his arms come out either side here, so I'm going to do a little curved arc here like that, and a curved arc here as well, like that. Okay. Right, next up, just look at his chest area. So we've already actually started this around here, so we know his chest is going to be around here. So to signify the muscles of Jonesy, I'm just going to do a curve from here to here. So just pop in a bit of a curve like that. Okay, that's his chest done. Let's get his torso in. So I think his torso is going to end about here and here. Okay, so what we need to do, from this end of this little tusk area of the strapping, just do a line down. Same here. Line down like that. Okay. Right. Next up, he's got his overalls sort of tied around his waist. So to show this, instead of having maybe like a belt, I guess it is like a belt, I'm just going to do like the sleeve of this going down here. So I'm kind of just going to do a bit of a circle, just bring that down like that, and then around like that. Then the other part of the sleeve like comes around here, so like a scarf just around there. Then we know where that is in the center. We can just draw a line here and a line here. What we can do is just have that going around his waist like a bit of a belt, like that. Okay. Now I've got that in place, I think we can do the rest of the arms. So let's pop the rest of his arms in. So I reckon the middle of his arm is going to be about here. So I'm going to do his sort of muscles of his arm, top part of his arm there, just join that up, and coming out sort of here. So I'm going to do a little bit of an arc just to show his like biceps off. Same here, let's do a little bit of an arc, show his biceps off, and then we can do the outside of his arm coming up and just around, just meet that up there. Okay, that's the top parts of his arms done. Then let's work these down to, I would say, maybe about here. So he's actually got some shackles on. So I'm gonna maybe let's pop those in now. So I'm just gonna do a little rectangle at a bit of an angle, say about there. And let's do the same on the other side. So about here where his belt is, just a bit of a shackle there. What that means now is we can join his elbow, which is here, just down to the point there, and the inner part of his arm down to here. Same here. This part can go there, and this part here of the elbow down like that. Okay, right, let's pop his legs in. So I think with the legs, we want to go down to about here and down to about here. So we can pop a little central point in maybe there, then we just join it up there, there, okay? Same on the other side, we can just bring it down to the knee area here. So I'm just going to do a bit of a slight little curve just to show like the muscles of his legs off, like there. And then same on the other side, so just curve around there, okay? Now on his boots, at the bottom, just above him, he's got shackles again. So I think we can do the same thing like up here, just do a rectangle at a bit of an angle. So I'm going to pop a bit of a chunky rectangle in there, a bit of a chunky rectangle in there. And this is great because now we can join up. So he's got his like knees there. And we can just draw a line down here. And then I'm going to do a bit of a curve where his calf is there. And draw a line here, knees there, okay? And this side again, draw a bit of a curve where his calf is there. Now we know where his boots are, so I'm just going to have just a bit of a line, and a line down here, line down there, a bit of a line, and then we can do the rest of his shoes. So we can just bring that around like so, just do a line right at the edge of the paper, and bring a line out here, and do a line at the edge of the paper there. His laces are kind of sticking out as well. So I'm just going to do a couple of like overly little bits to show where those are there. Also with the shackles, we can just do like a little curve in, and the same on these ones here, just do a little curve there. Let's pop his hands in now. So the hands are going to be sort of clenched fists, so just do a line and around, and then what we can do then is just do a little curve around like that. Okay, same on this side, line down and then bring it out just a bit, do a curve up and around like that. Okay, nice one. Okay, so just at the top of the legs here, I'm going to put a circle here and a circle here. This is sort of where the strapping is again, and then we can just join that up either side. So 1, 2 and 1, 2, like that. And we can also just colour in this strapping area here, black too. Alright, then the top of his vest sort of has a curve around, so I'm just going to pop a nice curve around like that. Okay, right. Let's get a finer point pen, let's pop his face in. Okay, so Jonesy has got sort of quite angular eyebrows, so let's draw one in here. So like a bit of an angular eyebrow like that, and then a bit of an angle up and down like that. Let's pop a curve in and a curve in there, and then we can just pop his eye in like that, just a little circle underneath. Let's pop his nose in, so just pop a nose in like around there, so maybe like that, just a little arc. Okay, and then he's usually got a bit of a smirk on his face, so I'm just going to do a little sort of smirky smile to the side there, so just a little curvy arc around like that, maybe just show his lip underneath like so. Okay, let's just pop, I think, an inner part of a square here. Maybe I'll just colour that in. Alright, and then maybe just where his clothing is here, just put a line in like that, just to show some detail here. Alright, cool. Then just what I want to do is just put a bit of dirt on. He's got a bit of dirt on his clothing as our Jonesy, so just put some sort of cross hatching like in like that, maybe on the knee as well, just to show that off. Just want to put a little bit more. Let's get the other pen, the other black pen, just a little bit thicker. I'm just going to do the rest of his top there, just curve around and in, and this side sort of curve around and in to show his top, and then we can just join that up sort of there. Maybe just put another little line in just to show the detail again. Now with the shackles, I think I might just pop in a little bit of colour, sorry, a little bit of black just on one side, sort of nearly halfway, like that on each one, and then maybe just one extra line just next to it, like that. And then maybe just the sole of his boots. Show that off there. And then let's just put a bit of grounding behind him. Just like that. Okay. Nice. Alright. Right, I think that's the line work done. So let's have a look at colouring in him. So what I'm going to do is get a nice orange pen. And let's colour that area in his trousers, and also like this top area around the belt and down here. What I might do is just leave a little bit of around the edge so I can colour that in a different colour, so it'll sort of show the light coming in on that side. So just like this really. Kind of adds a nice bit of detail there. Alright, next up, we can get a skin colour for Jonesy. So let's get a skin colour and just colour in his arms and his face area too. So let's go. Again, just leave a little bit of white, show the light popping off it. That's it, and just around here. Down this side. And down here as well. Cool. Let's get his face done. So maybe just leave a little bit of light where his nose is. Cool. Just going to fill in the rest of that orange just behind here in that circle, and then maybe just like that. Okay. Right, next up, let's get a nice grey colour, and let's do the shackles and the boots. So I think the shackles we can kind of just put a bit on the side here like that, and then it just shows the light bouncing off those areas, which is really cool. Let's colour the boots in, so just colour them in. Nice grey colour there. Alright, and then what I might just do as well, actually I'll just get a light blue, a nice little light blue, and let's just do where his t-shirt is, just to show like a bit of detail and sort of shading on that t-shirt. And actually while we're at it, let's colour in these shackle areas. The little belt bits can be blue as well. Maybe I'll just go in there, pop some blue in. Alright, nice. Okay, next let's get a nice yellow, and he's got sort of yellowy sandy hair, so let's pop a bit of that yellow in on the hair area, like that. And then I just thought, where we've got a little bit of light on here, what I can do is just colour in his suit, just on those white areas that we've left. Just colour into that around here. Cool, and that nice little pop, maybe we just pop a little bit behind him as well, just to show sort of standing on the desert or something. Alright, okay, I think that's it. And that is Prisoner Jonesy on Art Draw. Thanks for watching.